Hello friends, we are back with a new topic on Power Query. Today we're going to learn how to filter data in Power Query along with and or functions. So quickly let's move on to the Excel practical. We have this table. Now let me import this into Power Query. So our data is imported, okay? To filter data, it's a very straightforward process like we do in Excel. Click here in the triangle option. If I want to select any specific, I can select, like I want to see the managers, and it will give me a manager. Okay. Likewise, I can select anyone I want. Now think about it. I want to filter on the data having manager in the name. Like we have a senior manager, normal manager, executive manager, like this. If our data had a manager and some text, some different text in front or back, but we need to sort out data basis the text manager in its name. So how can we do that? Go again, click on it, text filter, then come to contains. Now in contains, I have to enter, like suppose I select manager, click OK. But did you think our output is correct? Let's go back. So I've already mentioned in my previous videos that Power BI is a case sensitive. So if you can observe that this manager having all alphabet in small letters. So what I have to done, I have to remove these steps. Now here I have to change this, or you transform this, either lower, capitalize, or each word. Let me go with the capitalize each word. My step is applied. Again, I will do that step. Text filter, contains, manager in its name. Okay. Now my output is correct. So you should be focused, or you should remember this, that Power Query is a case sensitive. So while applying any filters, our data should be synchronized. Otherwise, our output is not correct. And if we do not check our output, then we'll definitely sharing wrong information outside. Okay, let's remove this step again. I'll show you another scenario. Now we talk about how to use and or functions. Okay, if I have to select all the employees from limited department, suppose I want only finance and HR, and I click OK. So this is how. Please do focus on the formula bar here. See how it's coming. It's coming like department finance or HR. If I click on here on the gear icon, so it's coming like this. Earlier we used contains and only one condition. Now it had two condition. If I have to increase the condition, I can add here, And if I want another department along with this, equals of the finance is already there, my mistake. Marketing. So it's showing me marketing data as well. But let me tweak this thing so that you can get more understanding of it. Let me delete this one. Now with this filter, I want my position to be selected for manager only with the name manager in it. Okay. So let me again click this. Now I will go to advanced. Now what I will do, I'll use and what position contains manager in it. How come a vice president coming in my position? I have selected only for the finance. Now again go back to the formula. If you see it, after each we are giving a condition like finance department, finance and HR, and text contains position manager. It's treating all the condition which we applied in one go. It's not taking it's not allowing data to filter the data first for this, then for manager. So in this case, we have to apply the condition in this manner only, but we have to tweak this formula. We have to open bracket here before department and close bracket after, sorry, before and, so that it read this function, this filter first, then that manager one. Then let's press enter. See, my output is there. So hope you have understood how we can utilize and or functions to make filter more effective. But you should more focus of where you put brackets so that what you required is perfectly picked by Power Query. Otherwise, you will get messed up with the data. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Please do like and subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. For any feedback or any query, please do mention same in the comment section. We'll definitely come back to you. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.